last matches, his many big mistakes from the referee against PSM Makassar. So please, tomorrow, Wasit, not make mistake. Selamat malam. Well, first time that we can go to Makassar since January. Last time that we training on Makassar was on the beginning of January. After we go to Cambodia and never return. So was the first time since 2025 that we come back there. It's good. Unfortunately, too much rain on Makassar. The conditions of the field that we training was not good, and the players are tired, many players injured. So we try to prepare the game, but we not make what we want because the field is very dangerous to the players can injure it, and we don't have too much players.
Ya, untuk pertama kalinya setelah perjalanan panjang kita bisa kembali ke Makassar. Kami berada di Makassar sebelumnya itu di awal-awal Januari, dan setelah itu kita harus melakukan pertandingan home kita, keluar Balikpapan, lalu kita pergi ke Kamboja, dan setelah itu kita menjalani perjalanan panjang dengan beberapa pertandingan di luar. Ya, persiapan sejauh ini bagus, namun kondisi cuaca di Makassar sedang hujan, banyak hujan, jadi kita tidak bisa, dan kondisi lapangan tidak bagus, dan kita tidak terlalu bisa melakukan apa yang kita ingin lakukan karena ini berbahaya bagi pemain untuk cedera. Namun kita coba untuk mempersiapkan seadanya.
I think before speak about the match, I think it's important to say this. Tomorrow, most important, in my opinion, that of the result is the performance of the Wasit. Sorry to say this, but our group feel no respect because it's unfair what's happened on last matches. Is many big mistakes from the referee against PSM Makassar. So please, tomorrow, Wasit, not make mistake. Make your game. You make part of the game, but the stars cannot be the referee. The man of the match cannot be the referee. The man of the match must be one player. Player from PSM Makassar or a player from Semarang. Please, respect PSM Makassar. Is many games consecutive with big mistakes. Please, Wasit, respect us. If you want to have respect who work day by day, who pass many times, travel, because we are the travel team. As you know, we are 2 seasons playing outside of Swalezi, so don't joke with us. Respect us.
Saya kira untuk pertandingan besok yang paling penting adalah performa daripada wasit. Di beberapa pertandingan terakhir ini saya merasakan bahwa tidak ada respect yang diberikan oleh wasit kepada kita, dan beberapa keputusan yang saya kira unfair, sangat tidak fair di pertandingan terakhir. Banyak kesalahan-kesalahan besar yang dilakukan oleh wasit. Jadi saya berharap besok wasit lakukan tugas kalian dengan baik, dan bintang dari pertandingan itu harus pemain, bukan wasit. Entah itu pemain dari PSIS Semarang atau PSM Makassar, bintang dari pertandingan itu harus pemain. Dan tolong respect pekerjaan kita, respect PSM Makassar. Kita yang ada di sini bekerja hari demi hari menjalani perjalanan panjang. Jangan buat lelucon lagi di pertandingan besok. Pimpin pertandingan dengan adil.
Selamat malam. We will try to get good result tomorrow match, and we will do our best for the team. Terima kasih.
Selamat malam. Kita akan coba untuk memberikan hasil yang terbaik untuk besok. dengan juga memberikan performa terbaik untuk besok.
Tentu saja rekan-rekan ini jika ada pertanyaan untuk Coach Bernardo maupun Daisuke dipersilakan.
They put 2 or 3 balls on the post or bar, whatever. They have chances against the champion, also against Dewa, but the result was different. We know that tomorrow is a different game. From our side, we have many players injured. We have, if we compare, they have more time to prepare the game because we play one day after of them and we need to travel and travel and travel and travel again. We had a travel team. We have the youngest team of the Liga Sato. We cannot forget this. But tomorrow we're going to try to do our best. We know that opponent team is a strong team. And we cannot forget that last season we lose here and the season that we are champion also we lose here. So it's not going to be easy game.
Saya kira mereka mempunyai pemain-pemain bagus, pemain yang bisa menentukan di lapangan dengan shooting dari luar kotak dan juga free kick dan di set piece juga mereka cukup bagus. Mereka cukup bagus juga pada saat transisi menyerang. Mereka mempunyai tim dengan pemain yang tinggi-tinggi.